So you want to get more clients, but every time someone mentions sales funnels, it sounds like they're talking about some automotive or kitchen supplies or some super techie stuff, right? Well, today we're going to talk about how to create a sales funnel that consistently brings in clients. Oh, first, I got a call coming in. Let's see who this is. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Is this the marketing Superman person? Well, I'm Coach Carl, and I'm trying to grow my coaching business. But these young folks keep talking about sales funnels. I've been in that business where all you needed was a firm handshake and a yellow page ad. But what in the tarnation is a sales funnel? Is this something that you put all in, or something you use in the kitchen? I mean, what in the world is a funnel? They say you're supposed to put people in it. I'm like, how are you supposed to put people in a funnel?
Well, Carl, not exactly, man. A sales funnel isn't something that you use to fill your engine. It's a process that guides potential clients through different stages until they're ready to buy.
But how in the world you supposed to put people in there? How people gonna
Let me explain. Now, see, a lot of folks think, getting clients is all about just throwing your business card out to everyone, right? But that's really the old school way. Nowadays, we focus on guiding people through specific stages, kind of like taking them on a little journey or a process. Now, the first stage is awareness, where people first begin to hear about your business. Then we move them to interest, consideration, and finally conversion.
Oh, okay.
This is where they become paying clients. Simple, right?
Okay, sure. It sounds real simple. So what do I do? Stand on the street corner waving the signs and trying to get awareness? I mean, I did that back in '78. That didn't work out too well. Like you need coaching? Yeah, you like you need some coaching? You need some coaching? Yeah, like you need some coaching. You need some coaching?
Hey, I imagine, but no, there's no need for that, Carl. We can create awareness online now through content marketing, social media, and advertising. The idea is to offer something valuable, like a guide or a webinar or a challenge or something to get folks interested. Think of it as getting folks through the front door of your business without the door-to-door part. That might have worked in the past, but today, we want to make it easier for people to find you. And after they are aware of you, we nurture their interest by sharing valuable content, like posts, videos, kind of like this one here.
Yeah. I guess I can make a video or two. People like watching things, right? So once I get them interested, how I get them to pay me, to show me the money.
Right. Well, that's where the final stages come in, consideration and conversion. This is when you show them why they need your service, answer their questions, and make an irresistible offer. And don't worry, I can help you with all that too.
All right. I guess I'll give it a shot. So no more handing out cards at the grocery store?
Exactly. You're going to build a system that doesn't work for you, even while you're at home sipping on your coffee.
Well, I am sipping on something, but it ain't coffee, if you know what I mean. Well, I might just be able to retire now. Well, you know what? This works for me. I owe you one, kiddo.
And there you have it. See, building a sales funnel isn't as complicated as it sounds. And with a little guidance, even Coach Carl can be a better marketer and get clients lining up. And if you want to learn more about how you can get clients lining up to do business with you too, join me on my next Be a Better Marketer Challenge. The link is in the description below.
Don't forget to send me that funnel thing now, whatever it is. Send that over. Don't forget. Yeah.
All right. I got you, Carl.
Funnel. Hi, this is coaching?
Not today.
Coach Carl can help you.